Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so troubleshooting is efficient. First, confirm Python 3. X is installed and accessible from your terminal. This ensures Vscode can launch it. Once done, install the official Python extension and open the command palette to pick an interpreter explicitly. You want a definite interpreter path, not the blank default. Make sure the workspace has a virtual environment activated if you rely on specific packages, so the IDE resolves modules correctly. You now configure Vscode to use that interpreter for editing, linting, and debugging. Open Settings, JSON or Workspace Settings, and set Python. Default interpreter path, or use the command palette to select the venv path. Then create and activate a virtual environment so package resolution matches runtime. Once activated, install any required packages and refresh the Python extension. This forces the language server to reindex. If IntelliSense still lags, restart the language server from the extension's command options. You finish by ensuring run and debug configurations are correct. Create or edit launch. JSON to point at the chosen interpreter and script, adding env-vars as needed. Then run with the debugger and inspect the problems panel and terminal output to identify missing modules or path errors. If behavior persists, check the Python extension logs and reload the window. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall the Python extension and delete the Vscode and language server caches to force a clean rebuild.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.